Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have a great day. I have 4 collections here. Trying to catch up on my scrapbook. You guys already know the deal. So I have separated the collection based on the scrapbook pages that I want to do. So this year was 2013. And I am using the is this Summer Pink Paisley Summer Lights. So I'm going to be using this collection for this one. And because of the colors, I've also have some of the leftover. I don't remember. I think you guys remember me using the Michael's Tropical Life collection. So I'm gonna include this into trying to work on this project. So I've already had this set up. I also have the Summer Splash by Cartabella Paper Company. These are pictures from, it says 2011. Look how little my children were. So I'm going to be using this collection for that year. And then I honestly have 2 more, but I don't have a lot of pictures. This one seems to be like pretty small. And I think this was more recent, which should be 2016. Maybe 17. Yeah, I'm thinking 2016. And I'm gonna be using the Photo Play Summer Days collection. And then I have some of these that are like old. As you can see, some of them are the same. And these are from BoBunny. I picked this up at Michael's, but I thought that maybe the color combination can be matched up with this one. And so I don't have a lot because I picked out single sheets instead of the complete kits. So this is for that year. And then I just dropped everything on the floor. And then finally we're going to be using, look how old these are, you guys. Look at Adriana. You see her like chubby cheeks. This is legit 2009. Maybe? Yeah, 2009. Look. Still drinking bottle and all my husband's freckles. So I'm going to be using the BoBunny, what is it called? Summer Adventures? Is that what it's called? Summer Mood. Summer Mood. And for this one, because of the colors of her bathing suit, actually go with this one. But I bought too much of this one. Like I have the kit, and then I bought, like, look at all these single sheets, and then I got like stickers. Like, why in the world did I need 3? So I'm sure I'm gonna have plenty left over. Maybe we'll turn some of this leftover into additional pages for our traveler's notebooks so that I could go ahead and take pictures this year, because our pool in the community opened up. So we're definitely gonna take advantage. I just gotta make sure I take enough pictures. So we'll probably have leftover for this year, for 2018. So, and this is the collection that I'm gonna be starting with. So I'm gonna flip you guys over to either just a video and some music, or to do a voiceover, just so that you guys are not like bored while I figure out the layouts. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to add a little bit of the ephemera that came with the kit. This is a few of those paper flowers that I end up cutting just to make them stretch a little bit further. I'm gonna adhere that to the corner, and that is going to complete this layout. At the very, well, it's almost the end of the video. I was gonna say at the very end, but it's already the end of the video. You guys will see, and I know, honestly, you guys, I should have just taken the pages out of the scrapbook pages or the document protectors so that you guys can see it better. I apologize for the glare. I'm thinking of food. But this is the complete pages that I did using the Summer Mood collection. Again, apologize for the lighting and the glare. And hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys very soon. Fingers crossed, right? Very soon. Have a good one. You guys be careful and take care. Bye.